We have another follower.
It's Ben!
Ben!
Ah, my eyes. I'm stuck in the snow!
Come on. I gave you the extra layers of clothing for a reason.
I know.
So you wouldn't get cold, so
I'm not cold. I said I was stuck in the snow.
don't fall to make that.
I said I was stuck in the snow. And I'm gonna do it again.
We have a fellow trekker. He is coming to us. This makes it easier for our travel,
Look at this.
as we now have another follower
Nathan.
to our aid.
Nathan.
What? We
The
have
snow was brushing off the house.
fellow people. I believe there is a car coming. Oh, there are snowmobiles and four-wheelers.
Ah, whoa,
There you go.
it's gonna kill me. You know?
Come on, let's go. Don't start anything.
It was bad, not
Let's
me.
go.
We got a car.
Heads
What
up.
the heck? Mr. Shields is not supposed to leave. I'm gonna sit.
Stay off the.
Fail.
They are not getting any traction. All right, let's quick cross now. Let's cross now. Let's go. Are you ready, Andrew? Oh, right in the face.
That's why I'm keeping my back to the wind.
We have somebody trapped in the wasteland.
That's no one trapped. That's someone being an idiot.
Shut up.
Hello! Hello! I don't know. Hitchhiker's slab.
There's somebody here.
Wait, think first before I kick it. Ben, what the heck? You pushed me.
It is a dog.
Ah, Trooper, shut up!
Andrew, come on.
Ben pushed me that time.
Come on, Ben. Stay in the groove.
Call a tire trap.
It's also called a groove, Andrew.
Shut up.
As you can see, most vehicles are held incapacitated and inaccessible. What are you guys doing? That's someone else's foot.
Ah, it just stuck my face. I can't see.
Come on, Andrew. You must trudge on into the white wasteland of Carrot Circle.
Oh my god. I think I just climbed over a bush.
You probably did. As you can see, that sign is completely,
The bush with all the snow over it.
its bottom is completely gone from the snow.
Hold on.
I'd give it at least.
Ben, knock it off.
My fellow comrade is digging to see how deep it actually is. And the other one should be helping.
I hit ice. I can't get any deeper.
As you can see, the solid ice underneath.
From the previous snow.
Alright, let's trudge on. Come on. Ben, groove. It is very cold out here. This mix of sleet and snow is stinging on our faces. Andrew, what are you doing?
Up here on the sidewalk.
Alright.
I think we were in the ice.
Where?
You weren't out there.
No kidding. Dude, you better watch it. What?
Andrew, let's go.
As you can see, that stop sign is. What are you doing?
Whoa.
Really?
You're lucky I fell.
Guys, grow up. Come on, let's go. As you can see, they're trying to find means of transportation as people are becoming restless. Let's go, guys.
Ow!
Guys, hurry up. Come on. Catch up. As you can see, those people were trying to find a means of transportation as people are becoming restless and need nourishment.
Some more coffee cups.
Why?
My face is getting cold.
Oh, boo.
The next one gets up. Take all the snow from
Okay. The lens is getting wet.
It is?
Guys, stop.
Let me see.
Knock it off.
Let me see.
No. You need to knock it off, guys. Is my hood down?
Huh?
My hood down?
No.
It's up? The red hood.
Oh yeah, it went down.
Yeah, can you put it up?
Sure. Hurry up, Ben's following me.
Hurry up.
Go, 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 go.
Guys, grow up.
Tell him to. He's fighting back.
Just stop. Ben, keep an eye out for cars behind us.
You won't be any cars.
Or four-wheelers, whatever.
Is that a snowman?
Where?
Can't even tell it's a snowman.
Who has thin gloves? I can clean that
Me.
off. Brush it off.
That would have made it worse. Are you still taping that?
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
It doesn't matter. People,
You taped us cleaning off the dang lens.
we must trudge on. We have 10 minutes.
People can see up here.